Hello guys, today I'll show you how to set apart the pressure washer Lavor 160 Superwash. What are we going to need? We will need Phillips screwdriver, Torx 10, Torx 15 and Torx 20 screwdrivers. And we will start from the back. First, disconnect the high pressure hose that is connected to the reel, like this. That's it. Now you've got 3 screws for the Phillips screwdriver over here, and over here that holds the handle. I have already removed them, so I'll take off the handle. And you've got four screws that holds the front styling cover. Over here, and on the other side as well. I have already removed them as well. You need for it Torx 10 screwdriver. So now I can turn the machine like this. And to remove those handles, just pull them up like this, and on the other side as well. And now you can disconnect the front yellow styling cover. What you need to do now is to disconnect the cables that goes from the Microswitch to the over here, and from the main cable of the induction motor. But because what we have to do, we have to take away the induction motor to fix the pump. So first I'll disconnect the yellow and green cable over here. It's Torx 15. That's it. And now the Microswitch, the cable from Microswitch goes here, and one of the cables from Microswitch, the white one, is connected to the black cable or wire that goes from the motor. So I'll disconnect it. That's it. And another cable from Microswitch, the black one, goes to the main switch and is connected to the main switch on the right side down. I have disconnected. So now I've got the Microswitch completely disconnected, so I can take it out. Okay. And now what I have to do now, I have to disconnect the cable that goes from the induction motor to the main switch. I recommend, before you start disconnecting all the cables, to make a video or take a photo of it. So from the induction motor goes 4 cables. Well, see properly. The black one we have already disconnected. The blue one is connected to the capacitor, so I can disconnect them like this. And now the last 2 cables are the red one that is connected to the main switch on the right hand side on the top. I have disconnected it, and that's it. I can pull them out. I disconnect those 2 cables as well, and okay, that's it. And now we've got all the cables disconnected, and with the Torx 20 there are 2 screws that holds with the metal plate the induction motor. So I'll remove them as well. And now we should have the induction motor disconnected. The only what left is to disconnect the transparent pipe for the detergent. So I'll do it now. And now we have done it, and as you can see, I've got induction motor free, and in the next part I'll show you how to open the pump and other stuff. So for today, thank you for watching and have a nice day. Good luck.